Welcome, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome to new English lesson. Let's start our lesson today by listening to our school vision.
The school vision, to prepare creative, well-educated students who are able to establish civilized, aware, reserved society, stick to the authentic morals and values, in addition to using the modern technology.
Life lesson rule. Be respectful to your teacher and classmates. Be active and engaged. Don't unmute your mic. And raise your virtual hand if you would like to speak. Our value for this week is respect. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "He is not one of us who does not have mercy on our young and doesn't respect our elders." You will find this lesson in your student book, page 101, your workbook, page 91. Make sure you open the book on the correct page. Don't forget to get your pencil. Today we are going to start Module 9, Nature. Here we have a question. How can we be friends to the earth? We can friends to the earth by consuming less energy, buying recycled products, and don't pollute the water or the air by planting more trees. Our objectives today are, by the end of the lesson, the students will be able to identify new words, read and match correctly, answer the questions correctly. Let's start. Look at the picture. Why do you think the earth is sad in this picture? Good job! Because of pollution. Smoke. Very good. Polluted air, polluted water. Very good. Let's watch the video and listen to this verse in Quran.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
إنا عرضنا الأمانة على السماوات والأرض والجبال فأبين أن يحملنها وأشفقن منها وحملها الإنسان إنه كان ظلوما جهولا
بسم الله
How much do you know about recycling? What does it mean, the word recycling? Recycling means changing old paper, glass, plastic, and etc. so that it can be used again. Have you ever tried to recycle anything? Yes, of course. I could use plastic drinking straws to make a pencil case for my colored pencil. I could also use the colorful straws to make jewelry, such as bracelets for my friends. The result was amazing. Do you think recycling is good for our environment? Yes, I think that recycling is a very important thing to our environment. Let's start our lesson today by vocabulary. The first word today is recycle. Recycle. We can use the old things to make new things. Environment. Environment. We are trying to protect the environment from pollution. Look at this picture. What can you see? Tap. Tap. Paper. Paper. Look at this picture. What can you see? I can see a lot of plastic bottles. Plastic. Save. We can save energy, save water, save the environment. For example, turn off the light when you leave to save energy. The next word is try. You should try not to use many plastic bottles. Now you can listen to the audio and repeat.
Module 9. Nature. Song. 1. Vocabulary. Recycle. Environment. Tap. Paper. Plastic. Save. Try.
You can repeat the audio as many times as you want.
Module
Now it's a practice time. Let's move to our workbook. Page 91, Activity 1. Read and complete. Then match. Write 1 to 5 in the boxes. Here we have some words in the word box. Let's read them. Paper, save, tap, plastic, try, recycle, and environment. Number 1, Nabil, turn off the light. Don't waste water. Turn off the tap. Very good. Now you can pause the video for a while to read and answer. Back again, let's check the answer together. Nabil, turn off the tap. Don't waste water. Number 2, don't throw that plastic bottle in the rubbish bin. You can recycle it. 3, It isn't too late to save the environment. I need some colored paper to make this flower. We must all try to protect our oceans and forests. Let's match the sentence to the picture. Letter A with sentence number 4. B, 2. C, 5. D, 1. And E is 3. Don't forget to write the answer on your workbook. What do you think the Earth will be if you recycle, reuse, and reduce? I think the planet will be more cleaner if we use the 3 R's. Recycle, reuse, and reduce. Now, let's move to our student book, page 101, activity 2. Now, I want you to look at the pictures and tell me, what can you see? I can see some children doing different activities that are good for the environment. Now you are going to listen to the song and match the parts of the song 1 to 3 with the pictures A to D. You have one extra.
Module 9. Nature. Song. 2. Listen to the song and match the verses with the pictures A to D. There is one extra picture. Check your answers with a partner and say,
Save the environment.
Paper, plastic, metal and glass. Bill never throws them in the rubbish. He recycles every day. It's easy enough to start recycling today. Why don't you try it? It's like an experiment. You're never too old, you're never too young to save the environment. Keith always turns off the light when he leaves a room at night. He turns off the tap while he's brushing his teeth. Can you do the same as Keith? Why don't you try it? It's like an experiment. You're never too old, you're never too young to save the environment. It isn't too hard to make the world cleaner. It isn't too late to make the earth greener. So let's clean the forest and let's plant trees. Can you help us please? Why don't you try it? It's like an experiment. You're never too old, you're never too young to save the environment.
Let's check the answer together. A, number 2. D, number 1. B is number 3. C is extra. Let's watch this video.
Welcome to LearningModel.com. Today we are going to learn why recycling is so important. Aaron, what's this little symbol on my cereal box? That's a recycling symbol. Do you know what it means? That you have to recycle? Well, yes, but the three arrows stand for three words. The three R's: reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Why is recycling so important? Why can't I just throw it away? Throw it away? Do you know how much damage that could do to our planet? But it's only one little cereal box. Yes, and do you know how many people are in the world? No? Well, last year there were 7.4 billion people. Imagine if everyone threw away all their rubbish. The planet would be awful. Every year, 12.5 million tons of paper and cardboard are used just in the UK. And it takes 24 trees to make just 1 ton of newspaper. Try multiplying all those numbers, James. Well, by my calculations, that will mean that there will be enough paper to fill approximately 103,448 double-decker buses. Really? You just calculated that in your head? Just reducing, reusing, and recycling some brain power. Funny. Also, did you know that some plastic can take over 500 years to decompose? What does decompose mean? It means to break down or rot. So you mean a piece of plastic can be around for 500 years? Exactly, and even worse than that, plastic bags and rubbish thrown into oceans around the world kill more than 1 million marine mammals, fish and sea creatures every year. Oh no, poor little creatures. Here's another amazing fact. Do you know the polystyrene cups that you drink out of and then throw away? Yes, like at parties? Yes. Well, if you lined up all the polystyrene foam cups.
Now, my dear students, I want you to write sentences about how can we save our environment. For example, recycling helps to protect the environment. Now it's homework time. I want you to design a poster about recycling and write 2 sentences about it. Don't forget to give it to your teacher next time. Here we have reached to the end of our video today. I hope you are enjoying the video. Goodbye.